Hello there. In this video, I want to build off of a past video I did where I solved simple equations. And I want to solve slightly more complex equations because there's really no end to how we can write an equation, especially if it's a linear equation, and make it as difficult as humanly possible. I just want to show you other ways and other problems that you could see. So I've got 3 examples to show you today. Now, really quickly, I want to go over like the basic idea of how to solve these, okay? We've got this big long thing here on the left equal to something that's basically in slope-intercept form on the right. So the goal will be to simplify the left first so that we get something that's slope-intercept form equal to slope-intercept form. And then what we will effectively have is 2 equations that is more simple to solve. So I'll do this by starting to distribute these numbers. So I'll distribute the 2, and at the same time, I'll distribute the 3. Let's get it all done at the same time. So I got 2 times 2 is 4x. 2 times 3 is 6, so that's minus 6. Plus 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is plus 3. All right, great. We've dropped the parentheses. We just need to combine like terms now. So I've got 4x plus 3x. That'll give me 7x. And then I've got the negative 6, what will amount to negative 6, plus 3. That gives me negative 3. And this is what I mean when I say slope-intercept form equal to slope-intercept form. Now it's a much more simple thing to look at. I'll go ahead and I'll subtract 5x from both sides. Remember, we're using reverse order operations and we're using combining like terms. Now, if you want to subtract 5x or you want to subtract 7x, doesn't matter. Remember, the order in which you do these from here on out, as long as you follow reverse order of operations, is fine and you correctly combine like terms. I just usually like to keep things positive, and 7 minus 5 is a positive 2. Plus, when I add 3 to both sides, I will cancel that out. I'll get a positive 5 on the other side. I always like it when the numbers come out positive. Over 2, and then x equals 5 halves. That wasn't so difficult. I'm kind of using the term complex a little loosely because they can get way more complicated than this. But just more examples. All right, so here we got one with fractions, and we've got a fraction right here, but then here we've got a constant plus a fraction. Now, fractions, not everybody loves fractions. How do we get rid of them? Well, we can get rid of them by multiplying whatever's in the denominator. And I noticed that if I go ahead and multiply this entire thing by 8, not only will I take care of this denominator, I will also take care of this denominator. So I multiply 8 by this entire thing. Well, that'll just cancel out the denominator and leave me with what's left in the numerator, 5y minus 2, equals. Now, I do have to multiply 8 and 2. You have to do it to everything. Equation is a balanced scale. We must keep it balanced. Then we got 8 over 4, which will basically simplify. This will give me 2 left over here and cancel here. So I'm multiplying 2 and y. So I get plus 2y. Now we got that form again of slope-intercept equals slope-intercept. We can go ahead and start using reverse PEMDAS. I get 3y here minus 2 equals 16. I'll go ahead and add 2 to both sides. That'll cancel, and I'll get 3y equals 18. I'll divide by 3, and I get y equals 6. And I didn't say this, but I mean, the variable doesn't matter in the end. You still use the same processes. All right, last one, not the most complicated of this video, so let's just go ahead and distribute. We get 3x minus 3 plus 2 equals 5x plus 6. We'll go ahead and combine these like terms. So negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. 3x minus 1 equals 5x plus 6. So again, I'll start by subtracting 3x from both sides. That'll cancel. I'm left with the negative 1 here. I get 2x plus 6. Then I'll go ahead and subtract 6. Subtract 6, there we go. I get negative 7 equals 2x, and then I'll divide by 2, and I'll write my final answer as x equals negative 7/2. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any ideas for future videos, leave them in the comment section. Otherwise, I will see you for the next video. Thanks for watching.